Hello there, kiddos! Your teachers are back.
That's right. And since you all did so well on our previous subtraction lesson, we are now going to learn how to subtract two-digit numbers.
It's easy. Come on, and let's learn something new.
Just like in our previous lessons, the very first way to do this is to write it correctly. For example, what is 35 minus 21?
In this example, the first set of digits, which is the number 35, is called the minuend, and the second set of digits, which is the number 21, is called the subtrahend. The resulting number is what we call the difference.
Now that we are able to write it properly, we can now find their difference. To find their difference, we start by subtracting the rightmost number. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Great! So let's put 4 below the equal sign beneath number 1. Next is 3 minus 2. What's the answer? Very good. It's 1. This time, we will place it below number 2. So, 35 minus 21 is 14.
Very good, kids! Now, let's try 46 minus 12. What is their difference? Again, the first step is to write it properly. Let's write 46 minus 12. Next step is... right, we subtract the rightmost number. So, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Let's write 4 below number 2. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. Let's now place 3 below number 1. Therefore, 46 minus 12 is equal to 34. Good job!
Let's solve this problem. Karen has 39 sheets of paper. She gave 7 of those sheets of paper to Alan and 7 to Anna. How many sheets of paper are left for her now? To solve this, we have to first write it out properly. So, let's write 39, which is the total sheets of paper that Karen has, minuses 14, which is the total number of papers she gave to Alan and to Anna. Then, let's subtract the rightmost number, which is 9 minus 4. What is the answer? That's right, it's 5. Let's write 5 below the number 4. Next is 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So, let's write the number 2 below number 1. So after we finish this, the answer is 25.
Great job, kids! Now it's time to try it out yourself. What is the difference between 76 and 24? Write your answer in the comment section And let's see who will get it right.
Stay tuned for more exciting and easy lessons. See you again next time!